I hope you guys are all doing well, and I have a new box to my channel. It's called Fashionable, and it's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So, do you want to find out what's in my new box? Again, I don't even know if I've seen a review on this box. I think I just discovered it on a Facebook feed or just randomly found it and it looked fun, and I'm like, I'm gonna order this box. I'm just putting some new boxes on my channel and getting rid of some old boxes that I just don't, I'm not feeling it anymore. So I will leave the price of this box and a link. So if it's a box that you like, you can order it as well. So it's the April box, and it just comes in this plain white box. It came in a brown box, a nice excuse me, a nice big brown box on the outside, and it went in my little corner to get disinfected. And then I took out this box, and when I took it out, I'm like, I don't even remember what this box was. So let's dive in it together. I'm almost afraid. So you open it up, and it's packaged very nice. I see it's got my favorite trail mix in there, and it has some earrings. I will not wear these. I very rarely wear earrings. I'll wear some dangly ones like when we go out and stuff, but I don't really wear these type of earrings. And let's see what the card says. They're by Francesca stud earrings, and they retail for $20. It must be their brand of jewelry. So I will gift these, and they're purple and gold studs. So let me know if you like these. And then there's this, it must be, ooh, again, these things all over. Is it a jewelry case? It's kind of got an animal print, so I'm thinking Kayla, but I've never seen Kayla have her bright animal print. So it might be Kayla coming out of her comfort zone. And this is kind of fun. Oh, it's Marc Jacobs. And is it lipsticks? Wow. It might be lipsticks. Let's check this out. This is kind of fun. It is Marc Jacobs lipstick set, and it retails for $45. And this is fun. I'm not gonna use the lipsticks or swatch them. And if you can see, isn't that a cute case? And let's see what colors. Wow. Can you see that color? Now that's a pretty color. Okay. Make sure I don't, I'm kind of loving the cute fancy little cases. And that color, of course I can't read this tiny little print. Second Truth. It's something truth. I'm gonna have to get glasses. And this one is Infamous. And that's the color of that one. I'm afraid I'm gonna like damage these. Wow, these are really pretty colors. Is it showing up? I was like afraid it was gonna be like that hot purple. Yeah, there's 5 in here. Sorry about that. And this one is Jadori. And that's pretty. And that's the color, if you can get a look at that. I honestly do not remember where I found this. If it was, I was just searching. Now this is a little too dark for me, but it's still a very pretty color. It's definitely like a nighttime glam color. And Current Mood. So that's the color of that. And then there's one more. Oh, this one's red. Goddess. So what do you think of these lipsticks and the case? And again, here's the case. So that was nice. Yeah, and that was $45. And then there's the purple and gold to go with those earrings. And there's an empty box. It must have gotten shaken up. There's got to be some loose jewelry or something in here. Oh, this must be it. And this is a necklace. Oh, it's got something on this side. Wow, that is pretty. Now again, I'm not a gold wearer, but that really is kind of pretty to put on with the dress. And if you're going out, I like the chain. And the price of that is, it's a guess necklace, and that retails for $28 in a gold tone mixed metal. And there's a couple more things. And this looks like it's a palette, and they wrap everything very nice. This is a nice box. Gosh, I don't remember what I paid for this. I don't know if it was a monthly subscription or, you know, just a one-time order it. But, and it also looks like it makes a great gift. So if you need to send somebody a gift with a little of this and that kind of stuff. I wish I can send some of the stuff to my daughter. She wouldn't wear all of this stuff, but just a fun little thing. You know, it's so hard I can't see her. We were supposed to get together, and of course, you know, flights are all canceled. And then I just read that Germany is gonna postpone you know, their international flights for a while, so it'll be a while before I can see her. We do the FaceTime together, and that's nice. Okay, I can't open this. Okay, and then we were watching the news, and you know, they had opened the California beaches, and those people looked like they were having so much fun, and of course the next day they closed up. So this is the Lime Crime Venus Extra Small. Look at the cover, isn't that nice? And you ready for it? I'm afraid to see. Wow, and it's a magnetic closure. Pretty colors. Now, I could not wear these, but that is a really nice palette with the orange and the yellow. The other two colors I would wear, but not the orange and the yellow. But let me know what you think of the palette. But that's really nice. And that palette retails for, it's called the Lime Crime Sun-Kissed Face Palette for $35. So that's really not a bad palette. And of course, my fave, a Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. So this is a keeper. And maybe that's why I got the box. I saw this, and that retails for $9, and I know that Glam Glow is kind of pricey. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in there that you know, retail for pretty close to $100. So let me know what you thought. The eye palette is probably something that I'm going to either gift or put on my Macari or Poshmark, because it's two of the colors I won't wear. This lipsticks, the colors, except for maybe that red, were very, very pretty. And this case, I think it's calling Kayla's name. This necklace, I think, is very nice. But for some reason, gold must be in, because I never see anything in silver. And this is the Guess necklace. The earrings are very pretty, but again, I would never wear, I can't wear the studs. This, of course, is a keeper. And 1, 2, yep. So that's the 5th item. So let me know what you thought of this, like this and that box is what I call it, because it had everything in it. Again, I'm going to leave the price in the link below. So if it's something that you want to get, and I don't think it was very much, but I kind of liked it. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe if you like the content, and have an awesome day.